In this box is a pair of Yeezys that I bought from the GOAT app. We're gonna find out, is GOAT legit? Are these Yeezys legit? If you love sneakers and giveaways, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below because we have a giveaway going on for a pair of Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Citrins. I'm giving away this pair right here, brand new size 11, on October 20th. I will be announcing the winner on my Instagram stories. To enter this giveaway, all you guys need to do is hit that subscribe button down below, hit that post notification bell, and turn on all notifications. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you have both, and then click the link down below in the description and go to the video that I recently did on a massive sneaker unboxing. And on that video, just leave a comment telling me why you want these Yeezys, and at the end of your comment, make sure you leave your Instagram username. If you want a bonus entry for these Yeezys, all you need to do is, of course, make sure that you enter the giveaway, then go on Instagram, make sure you give me a follow, and then send me a DM on Instagram with screenshots with proof that you did everything to enter the giveaway. Good luck. This box is from GOAT. I had my mom open the box for me because I have broken fingers, and I can't open the box with a knife. There was no way I was going to be able to do it, so I had my mom cut open the box for me. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to even get the sneakers out of here. I'm going to try my best here on camera for you guys to get the shoes out of the box because I'm only going to be able to do this with one hand. So let's try and let's see. This would be a lot easier if I had a table. I know I need to get a new setup, get a table, make it a lot easier, but let's get these out. Let's take a look. So right here, we do have a Yeezy 700 box, and this is actually going to be my first pair of Yeezy 700s that I decide to actually wear and keep. This is going to be a keeper for me. I'm not going to sell these. I'm going to wear them, going to enjoy them, and beat them to the ground, and make these, honestly, probably like an everyday shoe, because I want to wear Yeezys as an everyday shoe. I love Yeezys. They're so comfortable. I absolutely love Boost. This is a dad sneaker, and I've bashed the Yeezy 700 before, but I do really want to try them out, and to be honest, this colorway has really grown on me so much over time. So I'm looking at the wrong label. This is the other side. This is the Yeezy Boost 700. Doing this one hand. Ooh, all right. We got Yeezy Boost 700 and MSGOGR C white and C black. I'm not sure how to pronounce the first one. MGSOGR. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It is a size 10 and a half. I got these on GOAT, a worn pair, for $350 shipped. Retail is $300 on Yeezy 700s. This is the V1. I'm gonna try to get this out with one hand, because I don't even want to use this hand, guys. It hurts so much to even use the hand. I didn't break the whole hand. I just broke like 2 fingers, but it hurts the whole entire hand. So I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. I can. Okay, it's shaking. We're getting them out. We're getting them out. Slowly but surely, we're getting them. Come on. Alright, so I'm going to put this down. Right here, we do have the Yeezys. I see. I'm looking for the GOAT stuff, because I want to show you guys that these are from GOAT first. Where is the... I don't see it. Maybe we'll get into it. Maybe it's inside. But anyway, we'll take a look at the shoes. Right here, we do have the Yeezy 700 Wave Runner. The OG Yeezy 700. The very first 700 to ever release. This is a worn pair. I paid $350. There is a little dirt right there. It looks like a little stain, but I think I can probably get that out. Other than that, they do have a little dirt here and there. A little bit of creasing here and there, but other than that, pretty dope shoe. Pretty clean pair. Nonetheless, at the bottom does look really good, which is dope. No drag or nothing like that on the bottom, so I'm really happy with that, man. This is definitely a dope shoe. Let's take a look in the box more. Let's pull out the other shoe, and this one is laced up. So here is the laced up one. Well, it's tied. They're both laced up, but this one's tied. I'm not sure. Yeah, probably not gonna wear it that way. I don't like it laced up like that. These laces to me right now seem extremely long because they're all the way laced up except for the last hole, so I might just tuck them in or something. We'll see. I'm probably gonna do a cleaning video. Yeah, cleaning these. I feel like these could use a nice cleaning. What's really dope about these, though, is that I did save money buying a used pair. Let's take a look more in the box. Oh, here we go. All right, so we got the GOAT sticker and the GOAT verified card. So there's a sticker, and then we got the verified GOAT card right here, all punched out. So these are from GOAT. Shout out to GOAT. They are legit. Very, very dope. I did buy these. This video is not sponsored by GOAT. Shout out to GOAT, though. They are legit. These are a really dope shoe. Really happy to pick these up. The very first Yeezy 700, and I'm going to wear these things down to the ground, man. I really am excited. I'm excited to try these on, wear them. Let me know what you guys think about the Yeezy 700s as I drop the sneaker, but we do have the other one right here. Let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comments. Are you a fan of the Yeezy 700? This is a Yeezy that took a while, a long time actually, for it to grow on me. I was not a fan of the Yeezy 700 at first because this is a dad shoe. Definitely a dad shoe in my opinion. A little bit bulky, but it does have boost, and that's the main reason why I bought it. I'm so excited to wear these pretty much every day. It is a Yeezy, Kanye West. We do have the hype and everything, but there's boost, man. I'm really excited to wear these. Let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comments. Are you a fan of the Yeezy 700? Do you like the Yeezy 700 V2 better? Should I go cop a pair of V2s? Let me know down below in the comments. GOAT is legit. They did take about a week and a half. I would say, no, it was closer to 2 weeks now to come, but a very dope shoe nonetheless. Shout out to GOAT. They are legit. I can't wait to buy from GOAT again because I did save money buying these, guys. A dead stock pair of Wave Runners, 4 to 500 depending on size. Size always does matter. Me buying them from GOAT for in a 10.5 worn, I did save roughly right around $100 buying this sneaker worn, and I'm extremely happy doing that because I do have the shoe. I'm gonna wear the shoe anyway, and I get to save money, you know, buying the shoe, still owning the shoe, still get to wear the shoe, save money in comparison to buying a dead stock pair. Hey, I will take a worn pair every single time over a dead stock shoe. Me personally, I just rather buy worn, keep it worn. It's worn, I'm gonna wear it. It's very, very dope. You save money doing that. I really am a fan of buying worn sneakers, and I kind of want to maybe emphasize that more here on the channel. So if you guys want more unboxings of me buying, you know, worn sneakers that are absolute steals and good deals, let me know down below in the comments, and let me know by smashing that like button. Shout out to GOAT. They are legit. This video is not sponsored, but I really do like the GOAT app. I think it's a really dope place to buy sneakers, especially worn sneakers. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.